Continue to learning English. Okay, what is social media? Social media is very important in today's world because it connects people, share information, and influences many parts of life. Here are some key points about its importance. 1. Communication. It helps people stay in touch with family, friends, and others anywhere in the world instantly. 2. Information sharing. News and updates spread quickly through social media, helping people stay informed. 3. Education. Students and teachers can share knowledge, learning material and ideas easily online. 4. Business and business and marketing. Companies use social media to promote product, reach customer, and build brand awareness. 5. Awareness and activism. It helps raise awareness about social, political, and environment issues. 6. Entertainment. People use it for fun, watching video, sharing photos. 7. Networking. It allows professionals to connect, find job, and build career opportunity. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.